Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to unpin a conversation on the X app. If you've pinned chats in your inbox to keep them at the top but no longer need them there, it's actually very simple to remove them. Just follow along step by step. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look down at the bottom of the screen and tap on the message icon. This will take you directly into your inbox where all of your conversations are stored. Now find the chat that you previously pinned. You'll notice that pinned conversations usually stay at the top, making them easier to find. To unpin one, simply press and hold on that chat. After a second or two, a menu will pop up with a few options. From that menu, select the option that says Unpin Conversation. The moment you tap it, that chat will no longer be highlighted at the top of your message list. Instead, it will move back down into your regular inbox, ordered by the most recent messages, just like the rest of your conversations. That's really all it takes. Just a quick long press, one tap, and you've successfully unpinned a conversation. It's designed to be quick and easy, so you don't have to dig through extra settings or menus. Unpinning is especially helpful if your chat list is starting to feel a little cluttered, or if you only want your most important conversations staying at the top. You can always go back and repin a chat later if you change your mind. So, let's recap the steps. Open the X app, tap on the message icon at the bottom, long press on a pinned chat, and then tap Unpin Conversation. Simple, straightforward, and done in just a few seconds. And that's everything you need to know about unpinning conversations on the X app. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out right now and keep your inbox organized just the way you like it.